sunburn head. Look at that. Woo! Terrible lighting. Alright. I have a kind of a review on here. I did a video about these. I don't know where they came from. I bought them online. Bought them on Amazon. They're the ROLOC 2-inch ones. Well, I have to say, these things work really good. The brown ones are completely awesome. They don't. The thing is the edges don't last very long. So when you get them down to like the nubs here, like look, it looks more like an orb now. I don't know if I'll show you. They should look not like that. They should look thick like that. But if you look at them, this is one that hasn't been used, and this is one that has been used. So anyway, I was online and I learned a neat trick too. But before I show you that, actually I'll show you another video, new trick. They're not bad. They're about $20 for a bag of, how many's in here? 48 pieces. Around here, I think they're about $1.25 each. They're pretty good quality, and like most ROLOCs, I don't care which one you buy, high quality. They don't last 5-6 hours. You can't do an entire football stadium with them. You can do a pretty good surface, and they're really good for just ripping paint and grime off. I never can remember which ones are the rough, coarse ones. So, but I do know that I think the brown ones, the ones that look like poop, those ones I think are the most coarse ones. And I think these are the fine ones. I don't know. There's 3 different colors in here. There's like brown, red, and blue. And I'm getting tired. Been here for a while. Been up all day. So not bad. You have to go on Amazon and look for one that like has lots of comments and people leave. I mean, if you don't want to get screwed and you're like you plan on using a few of them or want a lot of them, like me, I'm probably gonna buy 2 or 3 more bags just because I'll probably be in my garage and I'll run out at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'll be like, So I usually order. Consumables are always expensive, even if you use them once in a while. One thing I've learned is shit never goes down in price. If it does, it's probably from China. It doesn't work very good. And if you use it, why not have them? I've had the last batch I've had it for about 10 years. I use them once in a while. And lately, I haven't really. I noticed that, like, you know what? I was using giant flat discs, just tearing off like tons of metal, and I just want to tear off some paint. And so I've been getting used to using ROLOCs again. I used to use some by a company called Worth. They have another little thing. They weren't bad, but Worth was like, oh, you gotta buy $500 worth of shit and stuff, and so I was like, forget it. Never mind the account with them. So you should be able to hear my fan buzzing. I have an old fan. The bottom broke off. I just connected it to the device. So anyway, that's my opinion. Pretty good. Good for the money. I don't expect $1 million things. Like it's like the abrasive cutting discs. Those things you expect to cut more than one piece of metal. Like I've bought the DeWalt ones. They're $14.99 at Runnings in US, and they're $59 here at Canadian Tire. It's ridiculous. But if you don't force it and you just sit there, you can keep cutting. You can cut quite a few pieces of metal. I've tried the one from Harbor Freight for fun, and it was like watching just thing disappear. And I bought some other cheap one for 99 cents at a place called Canak here. I think they were 59 cents. And I tried those ones, and they were pretty. The 59-cent ones, no word of a lie, were like some of the best like cutting discs. I cut a ton of stuff on one disc, and I was like, whoa, I should have bought the whole stack. So anyway, I'll shut up now. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and have a great day.